Drama is brewing as Musa Mseleko's late wife's son is demanding for him to stop talking about his mother, to let his mother rest in peace. You'll remember just over a week ago, Musa Mseleko had come out here posting his late wife, calling her an ancestor wife. And fans had called him out for that. Now his son seems to be joining that train as well. As he took to his social media platform, seemingly responding to Musa, saying she has been gone for over 20 years now, allow her to continue resting in peace. If not for me, do it for yourself, because you have either lost a loved one, and if not, one day you will experience this pain. I'm confused by his stance on this matter, because if I'm not mistaken, his mother was married lawfully to Musa, unless of course she wasn't. But if she was, then what makes him think it's okay for him to dictate on Musa where his mother is concerned? I would really understand if his mother was not married to Musa, if maybe they were fat and setting, I would really understand where he's coming from. But if these people were married, and now you're telling him you're trying to dictate on how he's supposed to behave where your mother is concerned, then, you better sit down, okay? You better sit and shush it. People also reacted to this matter. Some were saying, stop fighting your mother's battles. You have a long way to go. Get married, post whoever you want, and fight your own battles. However, there are some people who believe that he's behaving in this manner because Saole family believe Masaole was deleted by Mseleko's Twalo or wife. But there are some who seem to believe that he's simply cloud chasing, that Lungelo must just ask to join Isingani's Tembu if he wants to be famous, not this way. What do you make of all this, fam? Do share your thoughts in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye, and thank you for watching.